Look, my whole life been the grind, uphill in the battle I find. Seen the closest people all turn on me. Gunshots got one my mind. Post-traumatic stress, watch it manifest. Got my only fear, I ain't scared of death. Did you hear me yet? I ain't scared of death. What you gonna do? Threaten to take my breath? I've been out here, I'm grinding in the midst of the violence. You making decisions, but they only for profit. You don't know what's real. You trading your soul just to make the dinero. So today I'm the villain, about to send the uppercut to your heroes. Your money don't mean nothing. The rich and the poor got the same fate. The whole world's on a blind date. Sinner insane.
Fight for the sinners, faith for the saints, yeah. I do what I gotta do, and I ain't never playing no games. Fight for the sinners, faith for the saints, yeah. I walk through the flames and the shadows of death, but there ain't no ashes on me, no ashes on me.
Do what I gotta do. Some of my methods you might disagree with me. These are family ties, I recognize mine, I know that they needed me. See the fire and the smoke and it's rising. The building's burning but I'm walking right in. Live right now with no regrets. Run to the tank, got nothing left. All my life I made a mess. I need that change so I can rest. A little more faith so I confess. I feel those chains are breaking, yeah. I fear God, I don't fear death. I see those strengths and take a step.
I know this fight for the sinners.